So tonight we're going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys. Me and my wife, we're going to sit down, ask a few questions, but with each wrong answers, there are going to be consequences. Now stay tuned. You will see exactly what we have planned. Somebody will be rushed off to the hospital tonight. Not me.
Certainly not me. I'm a pro when it comes to...
Let's see.
I'm a pro.
Let's see. Alright, so the challenge tonight is we're gonna be asking each other some questions that we should all know the answer to. And if we get them wrong, we are gonna be eating super spicy freaking
Wings.
hot wings.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth.
And wash it down?
What that? My nose start running already the way in here, full of spice.
Crazy.
It's not normal.
We ordered the hot wings, hot buffalo wings, and we even made it worse.
Put a little dab on it. So you see, people might have a hand paper towel where my nose are burn already. I'm gonna start the challenge.
But listen, all she has to do is get the answers right and she's good. All I have to do is get my answers right and I'm good.
Yeah,
right?
I'm always getting my answers right. I'm an A student. I don't know about him.
She's a joker. We already told you the rules. We already told you the game we're gonna play. So I don't know who wants to start off. I don't want to be the first victim. Trust me. I know all the right answers. Ladies before gentlemen, girl before boy. Kick it off.
So, as I know, we have the hot wings and
Spoiler.
a food you doing same sense food anyway. Alright, my little last. We don't know if I last, we kind of know if the bun in the oven still. Stay tuned for that one. So, what is my mother's maiden name? So, may I give him 3 answers, and if he can select the right one.
Oh, mother maiden name is Collins. Let's get it over with. That's a first. We already know the answer. See how easy to remember. 1, 2, 3.
I choose to write it down.
Oh yeah, right. 1, 2. Easy question.
Choose to write it down.
Easy question. Same question. What is my mother's maiden name?
You know that like the book, yeah? Hutchinson.
All right. So move along.
What is my father's first name?
Her father's first name is.
I'm not even give no answer because I want one like my pro.
Barrington. Her father's first name is Barrington. She already know the answer to this. What's my mom's first name?
Cutie Lynn.
All right.
Which high school me used to go?
Easy question. Waterford High.
Okay, go on.
Which high school did I go?
You used to go St. Aloysius.
St. Aloysius. She is the first victim of the hot wings.
Wait, before me.
Let me buy, wait. There's no wait. Me not give her no chance.
I let me know St. Aloysius
wait.
was it.
Let me help her out. Oh. Got the soda open for you.
You have to give me a second chance.
No, I can't get a second chance. How am I getting a second chance? And what would be the point of the game? Help yourself to some hot wings!
Mom, I have to use some fruit.
Pay attention to it. Look at this. Why are you dipping it? Oh, we got blue cheese. I don't know if that's going to make it better. Better tasting, probably. I'll get my poison.
Put on a piece of wing guys. A wing can go more than one time. Alright. I was a prefect in school, yes or no?
If you were a prefect in school, you were not a prefect.
I said was past tense.
You were not a prefect. Nobody Don't even bother try to answer it incorrect.
My Waterford people.
You were never a prefect.
Thank you very much.
Waterford people.
Eat the wings.
Oh.
I was a prefect
in what grade?
high school. You could have bright. Me get prefect from grade 10. So prefect and get to prefect. And so me get my prefect. Me have to wear my badge.
It's the makeup things that people, you see people.
I was a good girl.
She's trying to make this up on the spot.
Two English perfect.
Listen,
you know.
it doesn't matter.
Go for it.
I'm a hard
Tell the bigger one, but you come leave the little.
So how comes? It's the same thing.
2 hours later.
What's my favorite color?
I always said it's black, but apparently her favorite color is pink. And I can look in that closet right now and I don't see one piece of pink clothes in there.
I'm a big man.
How is it her favorite color then? If there's nothing pink, I can look in the closet and there's nothing pink.
I love the color pink. Straight pink to me.
I have never seen this woman wear pink in my life.
I don't wear pink because I don't have pink clothing. I wear like a light pink lip gloss because you know people know something I wear lipstick. Or maybe do a pink eyeshadow or something like that, but now wear the full clothes are pink. It must be a light baby pink, not a bright, because you know I don't see that.
It's not her favorite color.
It is my favorite color.
She just made this up 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago.
Oh, for me, what the theme of my wedding? What was it?
White.
No, flashback a moment.
No, I wore pink.
Capture him again.
Men wore pink, that's it.
Right.
So we're gonna make this a little bit more challenging right now. And we're gonna start off by asking, I'm gonna start off by asking, who is my closest friend? When I find out this, know what I get mad. Everybody can't be my closest friend.
Well, that's who I'm my closest friend.
But tell me, who's my closest friend?
Well, this
you.
is not the end. Okay, that's what I was going to say.
Don't even try there.
I should be. I should be the closest friend. You understand? But he must have a virgin era. I'm not deal with the system part. In one reason with I meditate. I joke meditation, but let's take it far. A KD.
Yeah, KD, I'm a dog.
But I say KD.
KD is my main brother.
KD can crack in code.
Yeah. Because we grew up from brief days, from underwear days.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Remember KD running around? KD, you remember this? I remember KD strolling around the damn circle in his underwear.
KD,
and his
comment, bad man, now we are brief.
My man's used to roll around in his little.
Bad man, now we are brief.
On his
Man
little.
used to wear boxers and shorts.
Brief.
KD, me know say you're gonna defend yourself on that one, you see? And your friend is a bit.
From brief days, mind you.
Your friend is a dry out. I tell you, KD, I tell a young girl, them say we are brave.
And KD used to ride around on his bicycle that had, what's it called, break in the hub. And I remember that tiny bicycle, man, yeah, and then he just pushed his foot backwards and that brake would,
I'm glad you're not my
that
friend.
brake would lock and my man would be skidding and all sorts of craziness.
Because if you are my friend, then I come tell them my deepest down.
KD, you know how it goes, bro. But you're my man, dude, bro. You're my man.
You're man?
You're my man.
One my best friend.
Man, I already know this. It's easy. Well, it seems as if the wings are not going to be eaten tonight. We are so good that we only had one wing so far, because I know I'm going to get this right. Our best friend is Suzanne.
Alright, yes, it's true. Yes.
Magic!
Suzanne, pick up your clean skin, your clean self, because you always did a.
Hey, you remember when you and Suzanne put me in that?
Well, put this in, we can't do nothing with it.
They put me in the hot seat once, man.
Of course, because in the one come this, the clean skin girl, so we'd have put him on the throne.
They put me in a hot seat once, saying how I was trying to mess around with one of her friends.
She's there. She watches my vlog, so she'll know herself.
She watch your vlog?
Yes, she
I lie. So we can't mention you.
She watches. She does. She's on my page. As I say, I'm not gonna disrespect her. Likewise, I don't think she would want to disrespect me.
Absolutely not.
There's no reason for it.
But I was put in the hot seat saying that I went out and I was trying to mingle with this particular young lady, which I don't remember that happened.
So me know, of course, head over heel fall for this guy, cause you know him my first, and then Fino said that. But no, never did start.
And then put me in the hot seat and then make one big
I
whatever.
tell him say me I'm going, I'm nasty, it ain't done.
What is my main focus career-wise?
Is this a joke question?
What do you mean by joke question? Answer.
Alright, we don't know that.
You're gonna eat one of those wings right now, I'm telling you.
I'm not getting into the technical, excuse me, the technical part of it, but I tell you when me know him, he wants to pursue or make his career expand in
that you do.
what do you call that now? Digital art.
Just grab it. What is digital art? What is this?
But
What
I'm
is
wrong.
What is digital
I'm
art?
wrong.
No, you're wrong.
He wants to make website.
No!
Website.
Eat the wings. I'm glad she did that. Come on, eat up, man. Somebody gotta eat those wings, right? Not me. She's trying to fill this thing with blue cheese. Not gonna work. Beautiful. You hear that, Mom? There we go. Right. Alright, so let's get this done.
In the Bible, I'm just playing. Let me see if I remember this. Anytime we used to upset with you, I may vex with you, I may not chat to you. You know it got really late. When we're not seeing eye to eye on any situation that causes the problem at that given moment. What is the go-to thing to calm me down?
Easy. You don't want me to eat any wings tonight, right? The go-to thing for me when she's upset is not sex.
What is supposed to mean?
But anyways, the go-to thing when we are upset, when she's upset with me, is to get her food. It's easy solution. I could either take her to our restaurant, to our favorite restaurant.
Which is?
To that diner out by what's it called?
Yeah.
And then I could either bring the food home. It's either I.
In take things for granted because him stop do it. So I need to start vex more and see what got happen. Because him not do it again, people. But a pandemic changes
Pandemic changes everything, man. You know how it goes.
You can order out, take out. I can start right now, my vex.
You're vexed right now? Well, sex will be the solution in this case.
Not with my mouth on fire.
Yeah, argument, people.
Watch her jam yours. It can't jam
She dropped herself. What am I closest connected to? And I'm going to give you 3 options.
Okay.
It's going to be Buddhism, Christianity, or Rastafarian. 3 questions.
Easy.
Which one am I closest to right now in terms of spiritual belief?
You can't eliminate one already.
Which one
Him
is
is not affiliated to Christianity. Don't tell. But him big up the church people and the church.
Always have to do
need
that,
for
man.
prayer for
Appreciate you
because
guys, man.
him the far from the religion. He is no Rasta because him there and your meat.
And I am pork too, cause of she.
So me make it.
Listen, she cook pigtail for me all the time, man. This girl put pigtail in my food, man.
You think say a true man will practice in a whole religion as a Rasta. No matter what come through him, a woman prepare a good meal of pork, him man will give into it.
But I can't throw away her food. She prepared a meal of pork, ham, or pig's tail.
You know much Rasta man there with other girl and them not them.
But I don't cook for myself. What am I supposed to do, sir?
Lazy boy, lazy.
Listen.
Let me put it in the American way. He's very lazy.
Oh yeah, right.
Very lazy.
Yep, I hear you.
Very lazy.
Yep.
Because him no want to cook some chunks. Him no want to cook some veggie stew and
Veggie chunks can't maintain 198 pounds. It's not gonna work.
I know y'all will get bashed.
We can figure some other way. We can do fish, something like, but not veggie.
Roll
chunks.
in the comments and people and show him say.
Team Kenny.
Your team alone. Had to take on the pan.
What am I though? You still have an answer.
Buddhism.
Buddhism? You're right.
Him
Right.
always a try for
But
him.
not physically though, because I'm not trying to come my here. I'm not gonna be a monk. I'm sorry.
So him is partially.
Yeah.
He is Bud.
Yeah.
Him not ism.
Buddhism, but you know, no monk. That's all it is.
What is my favorite style?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Sex. Not easy, my girl. Come on. Listen, I am the man when it comes to sex, people. I mean,
Look on my face, people. Look on this. Look on my face.
listen to me.
Look good on my face. But I'm see what I'm going to say.
Listen to me. I have studied this manual, and I know every crevice and corner of this guide. I am the guru in her life. I know what button to press and at what time and how often to press those buttons.
You think you're pro?
Press those buttons, all you know what I'm saying? Of course I'm a pro.
You think you?
What do you mean?
You know, so women lie. Don't
Listen, her favorite position, and listen to me, anybody out there listens, any guy that is listening to this, you're not gonna be the one that's gonna be helping her in their favorite position, only me, because I'm the man. She likes it from behind, man.
Say, me and doggy style.
Missionary's great, but from behind, that's when I become King Kong, man. I dominate.
What is
You know, I dominate, man. That's it. I dominate, man. She loves that, man. She just it's just that's what it is, you know. I figured it out.
I'm not gonna like
Dominate, you know what I'm saying? She knows what's up.
I'm not gonna tell her lie. Him right. You understand? But you have when I go about go run all of them things there, all of that not necessary.
I've learned the manual. Hey,
All
Katie.
of that not learn. All of that not necessary.
Katie, back in the days, man.
No wait, hold on.
I said.
I want this. Yeah. Anyway, people.
We're only adults here, cause I make sure that when I post a thing on YouTube, people have to be 18 and over.
Age of consent, right?
Simple and easy. We're gonna get to the sexual orientation topics. I have to change my accent for that, you know what I mean? What is my favorite position? What do I like the most sexually?
That's so easy to figure out.
What is that?
Me not to be a guru. I think this generally goes for all of the men.
What is this?
And I'm just saying that because I think men when they're lazy.
Oh my God! Wow!
Lazy.
Listen to why I say that now.
Huh?
When they're lazy, when they love lay down on the sun and get one on. And by this one I know what I mean by that lady. You know. Me on top, I ride like a throne, ride like a horse. Them just want to stay back so.
Hey.
Enjoy the ride like
Giddy up.
So I think that is just every with most. I don't like the other styles and about my face that this is one of the lazy, most enjoyable style out of all of them.
It has nothing to do with lazy. It has to do with a woman taking control. Ladies, you should take control at some point.
But me not take when me do my other style, me not take control.
That is the same thing it's the same thing with from behind. As a man you take control.
Well, when we are bounce it back, when me not take control, we are
you throwing it back and me throwing it forward. That's how it comes together, man. You know the Big Bang Theory.
Yeah, we get that part. But I'm saying it's a two-way thing that. But that one there's a one way because we are and
But that is
oh my God.
Listen, I don't know what you mean by one way thing. Listen, people out there. I know how to control my saddle, right? When I'm in the saddle, I make sure that I'm keeping
calm down. I mean, don't matter about control. You saw me get hefty. I'm a bouncing back down.
Easy.
Can't hold me.
Until she reach 180 pounds.
See locks are fly out. See
Easy.
So the locks are fly over the sun. You understand? You have to just show them. When I come in, especially when I come in from work or just coming out of the road, wherever the case, what bothers me the most, one that irritates me, not that.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
No, alright, let me.
Because there's a lot of things that would irritate you.
No, there's one that me see automatically me just going on one.
It has to be the sink.
You sink.
What do you mean by which thing?
The kitchen thing?
Yeah.
No, that not irritates me. That not irritates me like what?
So am I gonna eat away?
Yes, you have to eat away. That not irritates.
So what irritates you most?
You can't imagine. You come home from work, you rush to the bathroom and you buck up and see.
Underwear in the bathroom?
Oh, what?
Listen, that's the least.
I come like me's a maid to neck. Me's a good wife, me I tell you. Wanna see how I look to you?
That is the same. So let me eat my wings.
Wait, eat the wings, man.
That is the least, ladies. If you have to take out your man's underwear out of the bathroom, man, that's disgusting thing, man. Oh my God.
Him love spicy knuckles and grew up on it.
What you know?
The soda.
Take your man's underwear. Take your man's underwear out of the bathroom is the least, man.
Drink. No, that's a little bit of soda you drink a while ago.
I'm hard. This is cupcake. Very rarely I leave my underwear around. Maybe once a month.
I forgot to start recording YouTube. I showed this.
Can't be more than once a month.
I showed it too disgraceful. I mean, none of them things there.
Can't be more than once a month.
Most days, I come in, I sleep and brown.
But then you talk about that. But you leave your hair right in the sink.
Listen.
Every morning.
A girl sheds once in a while.
Listen, when it comes to falls here,
it's not real here. Nobody never knows.
When it comes to falls here,
nobody never knows how
they are, of course, because you have like.
Nobody never knows how to
YouTube must have seen you with like 6 different colors here, man.
I bleach them. When you're strong, I bleach it.
But you have.
You notice you're black now because my ends them they kind of damage me. But
what about when it's short? How do you bleach? What, you cut and bleach?
No.
YouTube is falls here.
Nobody never know.
It is
Nobody
falls
never
here.
know. There was a.
It's very expensive here on the other hand. It's very, very expensive, but it's falls.
But nobody never know. But people, you know, this is to let you guys know a little bit more about us.
Absolutely.
And nothing. We never see nothing. What to say? Nothing was planned. These were just off the spur questions. It's your time and your moment to comment down below and let us know any question. You know, nothing. I mean, feel free to ask any questions. We are here to respond and to let you guys know something about Cheryl, or if it's a like any that tell me, let me know. Katie, you're gonna start him out on your own terms. Time to tell about your brief.
Brief days. I boss it. Y'all big girl bitch.
What? I need to know what is this.
No. That's
what
signature.
is this?
Hey, still.
Alright. When you used to ride out, I came on a spark. I want you guys to do something for me. Share,
like,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell because I post a video every freaking week.
I'm gonna get my iPod.
Get it right, people.
Yeah.
There's a video out every week on YouTube. It might not be on Instagram, but check it on YouTube. It's always out there.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cool on the boss lips now. So I know what time it is. It's bedtime.